Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today's project, we're going to be taking off this light right here, and we're going to be replacing it with this light here made by this company. I think it's called Feit, and it's a floodlight security camera. A couple of screwdrivers, possibly a pair of needle nose pliers, possibly a pair of pliers to strip wires if needed, some silicone to silicone the new unit to the wall itself, and we're going to need a non-contact voltage tester to make sure that the socket itself or the light fixture itself is off. All right, I know that the light fixture is off because I have the switch already turned off to the off position. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come up underneath here and we're going to take this one down. We're going to take this globe, we're going to just rotate it, and it comes right out just like that. We're going to get this light bulb out of here. Just like that. After we took our globe off and we took our light bulb out, we're going to remove the fixture from the house itself. And the way you do that is just get in here with a pair of pliers, you loosen this up, and you get it to start to turn, and then you hold it with one hand and you remove it with the other. Okay, and we just take it out. And we are going to be replacing this bracket right here with the new one, of course, because it has its own bracket. We're going to take these screws out right here. We'll loosen them a little bit. Okay, we'll take this out. Now we'll grab our new piece like this that comes with our new light, and we'll put that on. Okay, so now we're getting ready to put our mounting bracket onto the existing box that's in the wall. Remember what I told you about holding onto the screws and not losing them? It's a good thing because these screws here are 832. The screws that belong into this box here are 632. So we need to use the old screws to secure it back in there. So that's what we're going to do. We didn't lose them. We have them right here. What we're going to do is we're going to catch one screw in the bottom right here, and we're going to screw it in by hand. And this bracket here goes on two different ways. You can see that this part here protrudes out. This part goes into the box itself. The ground screw needs to face towards us. All right, so we're going to put this on here like this, and we're going to catch this other screw right inside here. By hand, of course. And now our mounting bracket is secured in place. Let's grab our light assembly and we'll start to put that on. Okay, so now we have our light fixture and we're getting ready to put it back up. We're going to take these two nuts right here off. We're going to unscrew this one. And of course, don't lose it because we're going to need to use these over. You'll see there's a little small O-ring there too. Don't lose that either. We'll kind of come around the other side here. Unscrew this one here as well. Hold on to that. We're going to take that small little O-ring off. We'll put that in a safe place, and now we'll separate this. Comes out. Just like that. And now we'll put this box up on the wall itself. We're going to take our mounting screw that comes provided in the bag. And now we may need these mounting clips here, but we'll see how that goes. And don't forget, before you put the mounting bracket up onto the wall itself, put your gasket onto the back of it, so that way it's a waterproof or water resistant seal. So now we have our white wire and our black wire. We're going to pull it through the box here. As you can see, I have my ground wire already connected on where it calls for the ground. So let's pull our white wire through and our black wire like this. We'll get them through like that. Okay, and now we'll grab our screw that comes provided from the manufacturer, and we'll screw the screw in. All right, so we're just going to catch it a couple of threads right now. I'm going to screw it down a little bit. Okay, and now our wiring we're going to connect up is our white and our black. Your black wire is your load, your white wire is your neutral, and you'll see here it has N, ground, and L. L is the load, N is the neutral, and this is the ground. All right, so now we're going to take these wires and we're going to connect them up right here, and you will need a very small screwdriver to get in here to tighten up these screws. All right, so let's tighten that up, and we'll put these wires in place, and then we'll continue. Now we take our wires, we loosen up the screw here, slide the wire under it, screw it back down until it's nice and tight. We're going to do the exact same thing with this black wire here as well. Loosen it up like that, slide it up just a little bit. Sometimes it's a little tight, so you may need a pair of pliers to get it up there and push it in place. Okay, so now we have our wires connected up properly here. I just want to point this out to you as well. Sometimes you need to use these spacers down underneath where this screw connects into that mounting bracket. I did have to take it off, and I did have to put the thicker of the two on here to make it fit snug. All right, so this is all set right here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our light, we'll put our light back on, and we'll wrap this job up. Okay, now we're going to take our light fixture and we're going to line those small screws up to come through right here. It may be a little difficult to see, but we're going to play around to get it through there. Okay, and we're going to push it through. It's a little tight because the top pins are actually lining up. So now they're through right here. We're going to take that small little rubber gasket, put the small little rubber gasket on first, just like that. And then we're going to screw on the little nut that came provided. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Take that small little gasket, put it on here, just like that. We're going to take the nut that came provided with the new fixture, screw it on just like this. And you can make them as tight as you can by hand. All right, and that's it. Our light fixture is up. This you can adjust up and down as needed, and the lights themselves, you can point them whatever direction you want. There is a small Phillips head screwdriver that's needed to adjust it in here, and you just loosen it, and then you can adjust it up and down as needed, and you can tighten it up so it stays in that position. And the same thing on these. This Phillips head screws in here as well. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to download the app. Once we download the app, then we'll set this whole thing up. Okay, let's turn it on and let's make sure that the light works. And that's it. It works just the way it's supposed to. Okay, so as you can see, installing the light is a fairly easy procedure. Just make sure you have your wires connected up exactly the way you're supposed to. If you're not familiar with it, have an electrician come in and do it for you just to play it safe. But it is fairly easy to install. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get some caulking, and we're going to caulk around where the light fixture itself touches into the house so that we don't have any water getting into the box itself. And we're going to use a white silicone, and it's a mold resistant silicone, just so you know. Okay, so you can see the silicone wherever the unit itself comes in contact with the house. All right, you go to the App Store, download the app. Once you download the app, you have a lot of preferences that you can adjust as you choose. You can adjust the lights to pick up certain sectors around your property. If you want to black out a certain section, you can do it, but that's all on the app, and it's all personal preference. All right, so that's it. This job is done, and we're on to the next one. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.